everybody, welcome to my channel once again. My name is V. Today's tutorial is going to be on how to draft basic sleeves. In my last tutorial I taught you how to draft a basic sleeve. Okay, I told you that you take the armhole measurement, the sleeve length and the round sleeve measurement. What do I mean by that? For example, this is a sleeve that I have drafted. Okay, so this is the armhole measurement, this is the sleeve length, and this is the sleeve round. All right, so let's continue with today's tutorial. This is my tape, my measurement tape, my scissors, my ruler, my measurement book. This is the basic bodice we drafted the other time. We're going to need the measurement of the armhole. All right, this is the long sleeve I drafted in my previous video. Some people said in the comment section that they did not understand this, so I want to make a short sleeve so that it will be looking very simple instead of this long one. I want to make it simpler. All right, so this is the long sleeve drafted before. This is the armhole, this is the elbow, and this is the wrist measurement. All right, so let's start. So first of all, you take the round armhole measurements. Okay, we have 10 inches. My round armhole measurement is 18 inches divided by 2 is 9 inches plus 1 inch allowance, that is 10 inches. All right, so this is my pattern paper. I have folded it into two. I told you to always fold your pattern paper into two when you are drafting. All right, so now let's take the armhole measurement. Okay, so this is 9 inches for the armhole measurement and 1 inch allowance. Hope you can see it. 9 inches for the armhole measurement and 1 inch allowance. All right, hope you can see it. So this length of my sleeve is 7.5 inches plus 1 inch allowance for the hemming. That is what? 8.5 inches. But please, it's because we are drafting. When you are cutting on your fabric, add like 2 inches for the hemming so that it will be fine. This one is too small. All right, so let's continue. So now you come down from the shoulder measurement, you come down by 3 inches. This is 3 inches. Okay, if your round armhole measurement is 14 inches, 16 inches, 18 inches, you come down by 3 inches, right? But if it's 20 inches, 22 inches, you come down by what? 4 inches. I'm going to show you the use of this right now. Okay, so this is my 3 inches. So I took the 3 inches to the end, 3 inches, 3 inches, 3 inches, and I made a straight line. All right, this is the length of my sleeve, this straight line you're seeing here. Okay, so on these 3 inches, I'm going to measure from the armhole to the 3 inches. All right, so from the armhole to the 3 inches, we'll have 10 inches. Yes, this is 9 inches, my armhole measurement, and 1 inch allowance. So you divide the 10 inches into 2. All right, when you divide, you have 5 inches. So make a marking on that 5 inches. I just did. This is my 5 inches. Okay, so you make a straight line from the armhole to that 3 inches, passing through that 5 inches. All right, very simple. What I just did, I made a straight line from the armhole to the 3 inches, then divided it into 2. So we got 5 inches. Okay, so it's very simple. So what do? You now make an inverted S. I'm using my free hand, please. An inverted S from this region to that 5 inches mark. Then from there you make the opposite curve. All right, like an inverted S to end it at the 3 inches. I repeat, you draw a line like an inverted S to the 5 inches point, then come down to the 3 inches point. Okay, I hope you can see it. Very simple. Then you cut. All right, so that is for the armhole. It's as simple as A, B, and C. You cut it like you are cutting an inverted S. A, B, and C. Okay, so this goes into the armhole when you are sewing. Right, let's say this is your, let's say this is your basic bodice. Okay, so this will go into the armhole. All right, so let's continue. Let's take the round sleeve measurement. My round sleeve measurement is 12 inches. Okay, In my last tutorial, I taught you how to take the round sleeve measurement. All right, so I have 12 inches for my round sleeve measurement. 12 inches. Okay, so now you take your 12 divided by 2 is 6, so you take your 6 inches. This is 6 inches. I hope you can see it. 6 inches. All right, 6 inches. Then you take your 1 inch allowance. 1 inch allowance. All right, so 6 inches, 1 inch allowance. All right, so you connect from the armhole. You connect from the armhole to the 7 inches. All right, connect from the armhole to the 7 inches and you cut. Like I always tell you, when you want to cut, always fold the allowance inside or on top before you cut. Always fold the allowance inside or on top before you cut. So you take the 7 inches again in order for you not to make mistakes. Okay, so 7 inches. All right, so you rule. This is your 7 inches. You rule and you cut. Okay, so this is what you have. So this is our basic sleeve. I go through it again. You come down by 3 inches. You connect from the armhole down to that 3 inches. Then you make an inverted S. You cut it. So this side goes into the lower side of your armpit, and this side goes to the shoulder side of your armpit. Then you take the sleeve length, including your hemming allowance. Then you measure your round sleeve with 1 inch allowance. Then you connect from that 3 inches to your round sleeve measurement with a straight line, then cut. All right, so this is our basic sleeve. All right, so always notch the middle of the sleeve, the middle of the armhole, so that you know where to attach it to the shoulder of your dress. Okay, it's as simple as A, B, and C. I have some sleeves I made here. This is for a young girl. All right, so this is the armhole, this is the sleeve length, and this is the sleeve round. All right, so I made this for a client too. This is the armhole, this is the sleeve length, and this is the sleeve round. Okay, you always have 2 sleeves because we have 2 hands, right? So our dresses always have 2 sleeves. Okay, but there are some styles that have only 1 sleeve. Okay, so if your style has only 1 sleeve, you make one, the other one will be handless. All right, so that's the simple way of drafting basic sleeves. I hope you enjoyed my tutorial. If you did, please subscribe to my channel, like and share my video. Thank you and God bless you. Bye bye.